Good afternoon, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. And today I have a very special guest. It's Michelle from Planet Michell.
Shalom Gavarim, Ragaim.
And yes, we're drinking Singha beer. So, Michelle, what do you think about Singha beer? What do you think?
Yeah, it's a very nice beer. I drank this before, and it has a nice taste. It reminds me a little bit of wheat, corn, maybe.
Yeah.
It's not a very strong taste, but it has taste. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not an expert, but yeah, I like it.
I'm gonna cook tom yam, and it's gonna be tom yam kai, which is tom yam chicken, which is not what I'm used to because I'm always making tom yam goong, which is with shrimp, my favorite seafood, my favorite food ever. But because of Michel, he don't eat the shrimp, so that's why I'm gonna make it with the chicken, which is new to me. And these are all the ingredients. Right here: chicken shallots, peppers, lemongrass. The lemongrass, which is a very important ingredient for the flavor. So you get rid of the outer leaves.
Well, I can smell it.
It's very fragrant.
Yeah.
It's
and it has nothing to do with lemon, right?
No. It is a herb. This is a herb.
Yeah. Interesting.
I'm gonna bash this so that all the flavors are coming out. Something like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it. Here I got some chestnut mushrooms. By the way, you can use any mushrooms you want. White mushrooms, chestnut mushrooms, Chinese mushrooms, straw mushrooms, any type. I just found these and I'm gonna slice them in equal parts, something like this. So we got a lot of mushrooms in here.
I like mushrooms.
Mushrooms are perfect, especially in tom yam. This is what I call a big bowl of mushrooms. And then the main ingredient of this dish: chicken thighs. I'm going to use chicken thighs instead of chicken breast because chicken breast would become very dry when you braise it in the soup. Chicken thighs, on the other hand, they're perfect. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of the fat, and then I will slice this in bite-sized pieces. 400 grams of chicken thigh sliced, ready to go in the soup. I'm boiling some chicken stock because that's what you need for tom yam chicken. In goes the chicken. This is going to be braising for about 20 minutes.
Smells amazing already.
Yeah. This is good.
I love chicken.
Absolutely good.
Yeah. Wonderful.
I'm going to add the mushrooms first. After that, all the other ingredients. And then all the other ingredients: the red chilies, shallots, spring onion, and of course the lemongrass. So that's for the vegetables, plus of course tomatoes,
cherry tomatoes, right?
Cherry tomatoes, that's right. Stir it all up. I have a sip of my beer. Down both in. Oh, this beer.
Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie. Ready to incorporate all the other ingredients. Fish sauce from the Pan Thai brand. Quite a lot for the salty flavor. I think that must be enough. If not, I can put more.
Well, I love salt, so
Yeah, well, it
I
must
think it will be okay.
I think so. Then chili paste for the real Tom Yum flavor. Oh, gonna get loose. I'm using much, so I like the flavor. At least one lime squeezed in there for the acidity, for the freshness, which is very important in Tom Yum, any Tom Yum style. So if it's not acidic enough, I can always use some more later on. And here I got some fresh coriander, cilantro leaves. And grab a bunch of this, tie them up like this. Just gonna use as much as possible because I'm a big fan of coriander. Are you a big fan of coriander, Michel?
Yes,
Yes, good.
but don't go crazy because otherwise it will be too much.
Ah, right, yeah.
There's a very strong
Don't overdo.
flavor.
That's right, some lao root. I don't have the real lao root, so I'm using this powder and a little bit of basil as well. And then I think everything is like in there. So I'm going to stir it up.
It smells great. Het ruikt lekker.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's for sure. And this is what it looks like, a close up. I'm gonna taste if it's okay. The acidity is on the level that I want it to be. And the spice as well, it's perfect to me. We got the Tom Yum soup, we got the rice, and we got Biet Chan. My personal favorite, Chok di Kap, that means like na zdrowie in Thai. Yeah, that's a perfect beer.
Tahin, heerlijk. Wonderful.
Very spicy because of the red peppers. Yeah, I have some red peppers.
Everything is good in balance.
Right, that's what it is.
The peppers with the lime is very good in balance.
I'm a big fan of Tom Yum, especially Tom Yam goong, but that's shrimp.
It's very good with the rice together.
Oh yeah, and with the chicken, you know. Do you like this? Is it the first time you try this or not? I think
this is one of my first Thai dishes I eat. I'm not very familiar with the Thai cuisine.
No?
So yeah, I love this. This is spicy, a lot of flavors, everything is very good in balance. Yeah. Wonderful.
That's for sure.
I think I take another bowl after this.
Yeah, me too.
There's more. We have more rice, right?
Yeah, there's enough soup. There's enough tom yam soup. All these flavors in the soup.
Very, very, very good. Oh, the chicken is very tender.
The chicken is braised thoroughly. Yeah, this is really actually the first time I make it with chicken, you know, this one.
Yeah?
First time.
Oh, you told me that, yeah. Well.
Always with goong, with shrimp or seafood.
Well, it's a good experiment,
Chicken,
right?
yeah, with chicken this is perfect.
Well, chicken is one of my favorite animals on my plate. So.
I am a big fan of shrimp and squid.
Yeah, me not. Okay, Jan, I'm gonna take some more.
Good idea.
I do it easy now. I add it all together, the rice and the soup.
Ah, okay. No.
Really nice meal.
Very nice. So, Michelle, you like this dish, yeah?
I love it. Good job.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I did my best on this.
This is my second bowl already, so when I take another bowl, I love it.
Yeah.
Otherwise I won't take another bowl.
Ah, okay. Good. Yeah, this is nice, you know. This is all the Thai flavors in one single soup.
Amazing.
So, wanna thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food. Like I do. And like Michelle does too. I think, yeah, I'm sure. Thank you.
And thanks for the great food, Jan. I love it.
My pleasure, you know, I like making food. So, chong di kap.